invite you all to the 8th annual Haitian American Music Festival. It's going down this July 3rd. The tickets are only $40 in advance. $40 in advance. So get them now while you can. Okay? So much performance by DJ Kenel, DJ Eric, DJ Tony Mix, DJ Aji Mix, DJ Nile, Lara Lakai, Vibe, Class, New Look, Blonde de Ferdinand, Gabel, Will Nepi, Sinclair, Kenya Itzi, Tony Mix, Teddy Mix, and so much more. Trust me guys, look at the flyer. It's a night you guys do not want to miss. It's going to be lit. Located at 9067 Southern Boulevard, West Palm Beach, Florida 33411. The tickets are now $40 in advance. For any info, you can contact 561-634-1748 or 561-628-3906 or go to palmbeachhaitianfestival.com. Mapla, est-ce que vous m'aimez là avec toute famille?
West Palm Beach, Crayon Camping and Vitro Hair presents the 8th annual Haitian American Music and Food Festival. Performing live, Vibe, Class, Nula, Lalalakai, Sinclair, Kenny IT, Blondini, Gabel, Tony Mix. Saturday, July 3rd inside the South Florida Fairground, West Palm Beach. Admission is $40 in advance. Tickets are on sale now at PalmBeachHaitianFest.com. For info and vendor space, please call 561-634-1748. Doors open at 4 p.m.